Hello everyone, I'm Sia. Today I will show you how to do the all key loss for 2020 Toyota Camry in 3 minutes. Now we need to use K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, antenna, the Lonsdor Smart Key. Next, let's plug in the OBD communication cable.
After connecting the OBD cable, we choose Special Functions. Key Settings, LT20 Smart Key. Select Convert Smart Key Type. This function requires internet connection. Put the key in the device card slot. OK. Select Key Type Generation. 8A. Select the menu of 0410 OK. Select 433, 58 for 34, 40 to frequency. Press the key position to set the button according to the original car key. OK. No need to continue generating. Click Cancel. Return to main menu. Select Demo and Remote. Find Toyota. Select from Type. Select PEPS. Select Type 2 after 2016. 8A. The first step is to back up the IMO data. Backup file OBD. OK. Please make sure the network is connected before operating. Turn on the ignition. If the ignition switch won't turn on, please turn on double flash. OK. If the ignition switch is turned on, please turn off the ignition switch, then turn on double flash. OK. Data backup was successful. OK. Now we choose to generate emergency key. This function is used to generate emergency key. Can be used for turn on dashboard. To add the key. OK. The network is connected. Click OK. Connect SIMU antenna, then put the top of the antenna into the card slot. Click OK. Select the data just backed up. OK. Generation successful. Please use the emergency key, turn on the ignition, then enter to its smart key. OK. Hit the brakes. Press the start button with the SIMU antenna. The ignition switch is on. Click OK. Then we go into its smart key. Turn on the ignition. Do not start the engine. OK. Please make sure the smart key battery is fully charged. Low battery may cause the match to fail. OK. The dashboard is light up. Click OK. OK. Hold the SIMU antenna close to the ignition switch. The buzzer goes off. The key to be programmed is close to the ignition switch. 2 buzzers. Programming successful. OK. Turn off the ignition. See if the key works normally. OK. Key programming successfully. Let's try to see if the remote control is normal. Lock the car. Unlock. Remote control is normal. Let's try again to see if the key works. Hits the brakes. Press the start button. The key starts the vehicle normally.
We have programmed Smart Key for this car successfully. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more supply ahead.